Stem cell research is one of the most controversial subjects in the scientific world at this time. This fact is due to one of the ways these cells are retrieved, which has received much media attention. However, the reality is that there are a number of ways stem cells can be collected. Many people, especially those who are religious, oppose stem cell research. They combat this type of research for several different reasons. One of the ways of retrieving stem cells, which is most discussed in the media and therefore most commonly known, is by way of an aborted child. Those who are aware of this method of collection and are in opposition of abortion are against this method because they do not believe it is right to terminate a healthy pregnancy. An article from Christian Century talks about the misuse of embryos by saying, "In debating embryonic stem cell research, we have the opportunity to ask anew whether we will encourage the routine, systematic creation and destruction of embryonic life." Another reason some people are against stem cell research is because of the fear of the unknown. The scientists working on retrieving and using the cells do not fully know what all could be done in the future using this research. This ignorance is one of the biggest factors when it comes to people opposing stem cell research. These people take what they hear from the media and think that is all there is to it. There are numerous journals, articles, books, and websites dedicated to the work of stem cell research, and these individuals could inform themselves with. But there is another form of ignorance, the choice to be so. The Journal of Scientific Study of Religion states that science and religion employ different methods of knowing facts about the natural world, which leads people from certain religious traditions to be less likely to pursue scientific knowledge, or conversely, causes those exposed to science not to pursue religion. This statement brings to light that some people just do not want to know the truth because they already have their minds made up about the subject at hand. On the other side of the controversy are the people who are wholeheartedly behind this research. These are the scientists who work to further stem cell research, the companies and individuals who are funding the research, and the people who believe this type of scientific work is what we need in our world. These people have been informed, if not shown, of all the different ways stem cell research could possibly help us in the future. It has been said that stem cells could possibly be a cure for cancers, genetic disorders, blood diseases, and many types of injury. In National Geographic magazine it states, "The dream is to launch a medical revolution in which ailing organs and tissues might be repaired, not with crude medical devices like insulin pumps and titanium joints, but with living, homegrown replacements." The people on this side of the fence are aware of the many different methods of retrieval, from an umbilical cord of a newborn to the collection of adult bone marrow. In fact, adult stem cells are already being used in treatments for things such as repairing a heart damaged by a heart attack. An article in Time magazine talks about the use of these cells in repairing heart tissue, saying, "In the current study, scientists first mixed the newly developed heart cells with pre-existing heart tissue. Within days, the cells were beating together." Even though in 2001, Congress stopped all federal funding to this type of research, there are still non-profit organizations, pharmaceutical companies, research centers, and others who continue funding stem cell research. As more people come to understand the potential benefits of stem cell research, along with the alternative methods of harvesting the cells, more research will be conducted and more people will be in favor of doing so. This trend has already been seen starting in 2009 with President Obama's signing of Executive Order 13505, which again allows the federal government to begin conducting new stem cell research in an effort to better understand and treat disabling diseases and conditions. As stem cell research continues, so will the controversy. In fact, it is likely to become an even more polarizing subject, as those who have seen the miracles of stem cells in action and those who sanctify the miracle of new life continue to oppose each other. Only time will tell if the world will allow the benefits of stem cells to overcome the objections.